Hello everyone, this is a video demo of the RSE random sample election web interface. On the left side of the interface, you can see the system properties. Let's open one of them. Here you can configure the system parameters. These are the URLs of ABB and VBBs. Let's try to change the number of table copies from 16 to 20. So the batch number became 5. Save it. And go to the left. There you can see there's a key management. The keys are already created and only need to be sent once. So you don't need to touch any one of these buttons. And let's go back to the election list. Let's try to add a new election by clicking the Add Election button. And here we can specify the election name. Let's say tutorial. Here you can specify one of the predefined system profiles, but please use base at this moment. Let's make the number of decoy to be 10 and type some random number here and save it. Let's add a new election question here. An election can consist of multiple questions. Let's define an election name. Shall we have a weekly meeting on Friday? Okay. This is the sanity check, the input check. I have to fill those forms before submit. Let's select the election starting time to be now and select the end time to make a very short election. Now type the first choice to be yes, the second choice to be no. Currently the system only supported 2 choices. Let's save it. The system currently is in alpha stage development, so this is a bug. If you find more bugs, please email Ponzi. Let's go back to the election page. Let's check the one we created. It's there. Let's go. So let's go to the dashboard. First thing we need to do is set up the election by clicking this button. And now let's open the ABB and the VBB websites to see what's there. The election is created, but no data yet, and only 2 minutes left. It's a short election. Now next, we click the Prepare Election button. So the EA will prepare the election as well as the vote codes, ballots, and send them to the ABB and the VBB. Let's go back to the ABB site and refresh it. As you can see, we already have some data here. We have 2 versions. We have 20 tables as I specified. Now we need the vote codes. Currently the PDF ballot functionality is under development, not ready yet. So we have to get the vote code from a link. You don't need to remember this URL. This link will be provided on the EA page. Okay, every 4 lines represent 1 ballot. We have A side, yes, no, and B side, yes, no. Let's try to vote yes for the B side. So I copied the vote code and submit it here and click submit. Okay, submit is successful and it asks me a feedback for the vote code 33113 and this is no for the A side, so I submit. Okay, done. So let's go back. Yes, you can see the vote code has been recorded. Let's try to vote some more. Let's say we vote the A's ballot for yes, choose the A side. So we copy the vote code and vote it here, 8A, and submit. By the way, the window for giving the information about the unused side ballot is optional, and it is only used for the auditing purpose only. Okay, so let's try one more. Let's say this vote code. Now you can see we have 3 votes on the bulletin board. We can try to close the election. There are a few seconds left. We can wait. And then we go to the EA to finalize the election. So, okay, the election is ended. Let's go back to the EA page. Click Finalize the Election button. So this will finalize the election. Okay, the election is finalized. Let's go to the ABB page, refresh the page. You can see we have all the data available there. For the first table, there are 3 columns opened. And you can do the print check here. You can see all the vote codes that have been used is correctly committed. And you can see 3 of them are voted. For more information about how to use the ABB website, please refer to the latest version of the Random Sample Election White Paper created by David Chang. If you click those buttons, you will see their corresponding commitments. Okay, this concludes this short video tutorial. Feel free to try it out if you are interested. If you have some comments and suggestions, feel free to contact Ponzi and Binsen. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.